Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric ratios of angles. Let's start by defining the three primary ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. These are fundamental for understanding angles in right triangles. You'll learn to identify the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse sides relative to a given angle. We'll also cover the helpful mnemonic SOHCAHTOA to easily remember these crucial relationships. Now, let's dive into applying SOHCAHTOA. Sine represents the ratio of the side opposite the angle to the hypotenuse. Cosine is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. Finally, tangent is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. Understanding these specific relationships is key to solving many geometry and physics problems. It's incredibly helpful to memorize the trigonometric ratios for common angles like 30, 45, and 60 degrees. These values appear frequently in various mathematical contexts. You can use tools like the unit circle or special right triangles to visualize and quickly recall these essential ratios. Consistent practice will make these values second nature. To truly master trigonometric ratios, consistent practice is essential. Work through a variety of problems, from basic calculations to more complex applications. Don't hesitate to use online calculators and interactive tools. They can be great aids for checking your work and exploring different scenarios. For more in-depth learning, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for studying on the go. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.